Today we're making the perfect summer meal, cilantro lime chicken and a corn pasta salad with bacon and pesto.
Hi, I'm Angie. Welcome back to Dinner and a Side, where my sister and I share our favorite dinner combos. We'll be making a main dish and a side from our separate kitchens in Oregon and California. For this cilantro lime chicken, you're gonna need 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs or breasts. Either is fine, but thighs tend to be a little juicier and have more flavor. 1.5 pounds is about 8 chicken thighs. This will make 4 servings.
For the side, I'm going to start the orecchiette pasta. That translates into little ears in Italian. If you can't find this pasta, you could go with fusilli or farfalle.
This is going to take about 11 minutes for al dente, so there's time for Angie to get started on the chicken. The chicken needs to marinate for about 30 minutes, so let's get that out of the way right now. You need a large enough bowl for the chicken, and then we're going to combine the lime juice, lime zest, olive oil, honey, chili powder, garlic, chopped cilantro, salt, and pepper.
Remember that time Mom tried to make the cilantro lime chicken but conveniently left out the cilantro?
Oh yeah, I remember that. She tried to cover it up with extra lime. We all knew. We'll reserve half of this as a sauce to baste the chicken later on, so set that aside. Now add the chicken to the bowl and just mix it around really good so everything's coated. And let it marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Okay, the chicken's marinating. Let's get back to the pasta.
Okay, the pasta's done, so I'm just gonna drain it. Run some cold water over it just to stop the cooking, then we'll set it aside for now. We're gonna start working on the corn. I'm using yellow sweet corn for mine. You can use white corn if that's easier to find. And there's a couple of different ways you can cook this corn. Today I'm gonna put mine in the air fryer because that's just the easiest method for me. So I'm gonna just brush them with a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper. I'm gonna cook the corn in the air fryer at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 7 to 8 minutes. Then you can take it out and let it cool. Once it's cooled, you can slice the kernels off the cob. Bacon makes everything better, right? Cook the bacon until it's nice and crispy, then take it out and let it cool. Okay, now for the pesto. You can use store-bought pesto if you want, but nothing quite compares to fresh pesto.
Our grandma was the queen of fresh pesto. We were always picking basil when we went there.
I guess that's why I love it so much. Well, that and it's so easy to make. Just put the basil leaves, Parmesan cheese, toasted pine nuts, olive oil, and garlic in a food processor. Blend it until it's smooth. If you like a chunky pesto, stop a little short of smooth. Andrew, you ready to grill the chicken?
The grill's ready to go. Let's cook some chicken. Place the marinated chicken on the grill. Be sure to discard the leftover marinade. The chicken needs to cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Flip the chicken halfway through so it gets evenly cooked. And this is where the magic happens. You want to baste the chicken as it cooks with the reserved sauce. Make sure it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once done, take it off and let it rest for 5 minutes.
Okay, we have all the components ready. Now it's time to put the salad together. In a large bowl, combine the cooked pasta, corn kernels, red bell pepper, and chopped bacon. Mix it really gently with a spoon. Then pour on just about 3/4 of the pesto and stir it up again gently. You don't want to overmix it or those nice corn pieces will break apart. Now when you serve it, you can drizzle on more of the pesto on top. I also like to pour on that lime juice and garnish it with some of the lime zest and cracked pepper. That is perfect.
This cilantro lime chicken pairs perfectly with a fresh and zesty corn pasta salad.
We hope you enjoy making and eating this as much as we do. Let us know in the comments if you try it out.